glasses or no glasses?
Well, don't you need to see? Oh, to take pictures? Yeah, no glasses.
No?
Whatever you want.
Rebecca said I look better in glasses.
You do.
Huh?
You do.
So then I should put glasses.
Mm-hmm.
There's no point for my hair open.
Ah!
Are you taking a movie?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I don't believe it. Show me.
Record. Okay.
Right.
Here. You start. Take it. Take. Okay, never mind. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
With feeling.